Okay, so now today's topic is the electrolysis of lead bromide, right? And the equation for a chemical formula for lead bromide is PbBr2. ठीक है जी. So what are the steps? As you know that I have told you earlier that step number one is that you people have to identify the ions. आयंस आपने लिखने हैं बेटा. तो आयंस आपको पता है कि कैटायंस एंड एनायंस. तो Osman, can you tell what is the cation or what are the anions in lead bromide? कैटायन क्या है बेटा इसमें? कैटायन जिस पे पॉजिटिव चार्ज होती है, पॉजिटिव चार्ज वाला कौन सा है पार्टिकल इसमें? आयन कौन सा है लेड ब्रोमाइड में? ये याद रख लिया करें, आयोनिक कंपाउंड्स में हमेशा पहला जो एलिमेंट होता है वो पॉजिटिव होता है और दो दैट इज कॉल्ड कैटायन. ठीक है. और इसमें भी ये लेड विल बी, this will be called the cation, and anions will be negative particle, that will be bromine or bromide, right? Now second reaction is the second step is the reaction at cathode, right? Reaction at cathode. Cathode is, as you know, that it is negative particle, negative electrode, sorry. And then what will happen? Positive will be attracted here. So lead is positive, so that will be attracted here towards the cathode. So reaction, how you will write, as I have already mentioned in sodium chloride, molten sodium chloride, electrolysis of molten sodium chloride. So you will write lead positive, right? And then what will happen? It will now, right now it will gain two electrons. When it will gain two electrons, now it will become neutral lead, right? And in molten, as I have told you, that the symbol, state symbol, you will write L. Then third reaction is that reaction at anode, and anode is positive. So chloride, sorry, bromide is here. So bromide ion will be attracted towards this anode. So how you will write the equation? Bromide negative, it will produce Br2, bromine gas. So you have to balance it by placing 2 here. And then what will happen? Uh, bromide ion gains 1 electron, but here there are 2 atoms of bromide ion, so it will lose 2 electrons. So we will write here 2, right? So this is the reaction number 3 now, or step number 3. Fourth and final step is that overall reaction you will write. Overall reaction. And what will be the overall reaction? Look at here. Lead PbBr2 is in liquid form. It will be decomposed into Pb plus, that is in liquid state, and Br2 in a gaseous state. So you will balance the equation by placing, oh, I think it is balance, right? So this is balance. So this was all about the electrolysis of the molten lead bromide. Any question if you have, you can ask.